Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on metal cloth racks. When it comes to organizing and displaying your clothing collection, a metal cloth rack can be a stylish and functional solution. Metal cloth racks are not only sturdy and durable, but they also add a touch of modernity to your space. Whether you have limited closet space or simply want to showcase your favorite pieces, here are some innovative metal cloth rack ideas that will inspire you to create a stylish and organized wardrobe. Number 1. Minimalist Industrial Run. If you prefer a clean and minimalist look, an industrial-style metal cloth rack is the perfect choice. Opt for a sleek, black metal frame with clean lines and minimal detailing. This type of rack blends well with any interior style and allows your clothes to take center stage. You can hang your clothes by color or create a curated display of your favorite pieces. Number 2. Open shelving rack. A metal cloth rack with open shelving is an excellent option for those who want to combine hanging space with additional storage. Look for a rack that features a sturdy metal frame with open shelves below the hanging rail. This design allows you to neatly fold and stack your sweaters, jeans, and other items, while keeping your hanging clothes easily accessible. Number 3. Multi-tiered rack. If you have a large clothing collection, a multi-tiered metal cloth rack can provide ample storage space without taking up too much floor space. These racks typically feature multiple hanging rails at different heights, allowing you to organize your clothes by type or season. Look for a rack with adjustable themes so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Number 4. Mobile clothes rack. For ultimate flexibility, consider a mobile metal cloth rack with wheels. This type of rack allows you to easily move it around your space, making it ideal for small apartments or when you need to rearrange your room. Look for a sturdy metal frame with locking wheels to ensure stability when in use. Number 5. Geometric design rack. If you want to make a statement with your clothing display, opt for a metal cloth rack with unique geometric design. Look for racks with interesting angles, shapes, or patterns that add a touch of artistry to your space. These racks not only serve as functional storage, but also double as stylish decor. Number 6. Wall-mounted clothes rack. If floor space is limited, a wall-mounted metal cloth rack can be a great space-saving solution. Look for a sleek and sturdy rack that can easily be installed on your phone. This type of rack is perfect for hanging your frequently used or more stylish pieces, keeping them within reach while freeing up valuable floor space. Number 7. Retro-inspired rack. If you have a love for all things vintage, consider a retro-inspired metal cloth rack. Look for racks with ornate details, scrolled work, or antique finishes that evoke a sense of nostalgia. These racks not only provide functional storage, but also adds a unique charm to your space. Remember, when choosing a metal cloth rack, consider the size of your clothing collection, the available space in your room, and the overall style you want to achieve. A well-chosen metal cloth rack will not only keep your clothes organized, but also serve as a stylish addition to your home decor. So go ahead and explore these mesh cloth rack ideas to create a functional and visually appealing wardrobe display. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.